making me a special way. It ain't drugs or alcohol at all, but you might not understand. Learn from mistakes that others make, and of course, it flies in the ants. Be a roadkill, roadkill, roadkill. It's the cheapest thing that you can find, and it's always in season, and it sure is pleasing. Roadkill, roadkill, roadkill. It's the cheapest thing that you can find, and it's always in season, and it sure is pleasing if you get to it on time. Woo!
We got a fresh deer coming in. We're gonna show you how to skin one. And I know a lot of you out there think you know how to skin deer, but I'm gonna show you something you probably ain't never seen before. Watch me, and I'll show you something. And I'm sure that some of you know, but there's a lot that don't. I'm gonna skin this whole deer, and we're not even gonna use a saw on it. A lot of people use a saw to cut the legs off, cut the breastplate, cut the head off, cut all them bones. But I'm gonna show you how to do it, and you ain't gotta use a saw. That way you don't get that bone in your meat. You get the deer bone in your meat, and it's going to cause it to have a different flavor to it. You don't want that. So we never use a saw, unless we're doing a cape to where we can't get it down to the joint or something, then you have to use a saw then. But as far as a regular deer to be processed, we're going to show you how to do it and not use a saw. So here we go. I ain't trying to be the fastest deer skinner there is out there. I'm just going to show you how to skin this deer so you can get the most out of it. Now this deer here is not the best deer coming in, but it's very important that when a customer brings a deer in, no matter how it's shot, whether it's gut shot, neck shot, whatever, we're going to take care of it the best way that we can. The hunter has done his part. Now it's time for us to do our part. And then when we get done with it, he'll come pick it up, and then it's back to him again. He has to cook it right. So we're going to do the best way we can do it, the best way to skin it, the best, so when he gets his meat back, he's got to, even though it's been gut shot and this, whatever's wrong with it, we're still going to make this deer the best possible deer that he can get back with what he's given us to work with. We could say, well, he's been gut shot, he's done messed it up, just get it skinned, get it in the cooler, cut it up, make some burgers out of it. But we're not going to do that. We're going to take our time with it. We're going to skin it the right way, and we're going to age it, and we're going to cut it, and we're going to package it, and we're going to do it all just like we were cutting meat for a Longhorn Steakhouse. Alright, now, I'm going to show you how to cut this deer without using the saw. There's a joint in there. If you hit these joints just right, you don't need a saw. You just cut it right through the joint. If you don't hit it, you'll never break that leg. Even with the head here, there's a joint in there. And if you hit that joint just right, you don't have to use that saw. And you'll go through a lot of saw blades. So we've cut the back legs off, we've cut the front legs off, and we've cut the head off, all the way through the spine, all the way through the front legs and the back legs without using a saw. Most people will take saws and cut those. And it's easy if you're doing it in your backyard skinning, but when you're doing a lot of deer, you'll go through a lot of saw blades. All your little bone fragments get in your meat, and a lot of people don't know it, but when they cook deer meat and they say it's got a bad taste to it or bad flavor, that is one thing that will cause a deer to have a bad taste or bad flavor to it. So you want to keep the bone out of your deer. And once you get it that far, next thing to do is to remove his clothes. And I could remove these clothes a little more gracefully if I had some soft music playing. We're just going to take these clothes off, undress them, and see what we got underneath. Well, everybody knows that's always the curious side of everything. What's underneath?
Check your makeup in the mirror.
We're gonna find out.
We're not going out on town tonight. We're gonna make some magic here.
So once we get here, we got the tailbone. Same way, a lot of people take a saw, cut that tailbone loose. If you cut it up high, you'll hit that joint, and that's all there is to it. It'll fall right off. It's kind of like when you get your woman to herself, and you put on that soft music, they fall right off.
Tonight I'll hold you like I did before.
Skinny deer
For I knew
can be
so
similar
well.
to dancing with your woman. Or your man.
You whisper little things in my ear, things that I would dare not tell. As the candle slowly dim, we'll make love, then we'll do it again.
Once I get there, I don't know if you noticed, I cut that hide back and come straight up the goozler, I call it, which is the throat tube, and cut it right off. It's important to do that because when we go to gut this deer, it's gonna let that gut fall right out. We're not gonna have to cut any more on it. Move them around, raise them up, do any fancy work to it. I've already done it. Now, we're gonna remove the guts out of this deer. Now we're gonna do the dirty part. That's take the guts out. That's the bad part. They got a little zipper up here. Grab a hold of that zipper and then unzip it. And this is the part that you don't want. We're gonna throw this away. Now, the last bone we'll have to cut in this deer is down the breastplate. We want to open this up because we want it to breathe. We want to get the cold air in. We want to cool this meat down. And a lot of people use a saw to cut that. You don't need a saw. You cut it right down in the right spot, down those joints. You cut it just like that. No saw needed. And that's how you skin a deer. Now it goes in the cooler. That'll be me. Now for a quick recap.